Hello guys. Today, we are going to fix broken file association in Windows. If your files are opening in the wrong program or have the wrong icons, your file associations are likely corrupted. Here's how to fix it. You can see that this text file is not able to open. Let's fix it. First, click the Start menu and select the Settings gear icon. In the Settings window, click on the category labeled Apps. Click on Default Apps. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Under Reset to the Microsoft Recommended Defaults, click the Reset button. You will see a check mark appear. All file types have now been restored to their original settings, and your icons will return to normal. Now, we can see that this text file can open correctly. This issue is now resolved. Subscribe to Easy Windows Solution for more direct PC repairs.